Welcome to my repair kit. I'm Eric Jacobson. In this video, we're going to upholster the hollow back of these solid oak federal chairs, which are now painted black. This material is called Jute webbing, J-U-T-E. Notice how I'm installing it as recessed to leave space for the foam. Make sure you weave the material to create a nice firm back. Fold the ends over and add a few rows of staples. Here I cut a piece of 1-inch foam and put it into the recessed area. This material is called Dacron, which is used to create a softer and puffier back panel. And I did use 2 layers. In a moment, we'll talk about how to properly install an upholstered panel, but the key is to start in the middle. So the top middle, bottom middle, left and right, and then work your way out towards the corners. Now we'll use scissors to trim off the excess and use the staple gun to clean up the rest of the edges. We only need 1 layer of Dacron for the back panel, but notice again how I'm starting my staples in the middle and working out towards the corners. And again, trim off the excess with scissors and clean up the edges with the staple gun. Now it's time to install the black vinyl. I'm not really using staples to put this panel on, but I will initially put 2 just to hold it in place. But we are using metal nail heads. This plastic tool is to measure the distance between the nail heads, but I'm not going to use it anymore. Notice I'm folding the edge of the upholstery over. You don't want to see the actual edge. Also, notice I'm starting in the middle and working my way to the corners. Another important thing to keep in mind as you work your way towards the corners is you have to keep pulling the material tight to make sure that there's no wrinkles. Also, as you work your way to the corners, it's important to only trim off a minimal amount of upholstery, as you don't want to cut off too much. I'll speed this process up a little bit. Now that the front of the seat is done, it's time to do the same thing to the rear. I'll take this opportunity to tell you about a book I wrote. It has nothing to do with upholstery. It's called My Repair Kit, Repair Furniture Like a Professional, a masterclass by Eric Jacobson. The main focus of the book is repairs to scratches, gouges, and broken wood, and also finish damage. Please enjoy the final result, and thank you for watching.